this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's front interior door handle on a 2013 Altima. I picked the handle up on eBay for like 10 bucks. If you didn't have time to wait to order the part, you could always pull the door handle from the driver's side rear door and install it on the front. It would double your work, but you wouldn't be having to roll your window down every time you went to get out of the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this trim piece behind the handle and this big trim piece, and it's going to expose all of the bolts that we have to remove. Took that piece off. There's a bolt that's got to come out right there. The bolt right there that's got to come out. And then now we got to take the switch panel off to reveal the last bolt. So now we need to take the switch panel off and reveal the last bolt that needs to come off. And the last bolt is, let's see, focus right there. So we'll take those three off, unhook all the electrical, and we'll be able to drop the door panel. Now we can pry out on the bottom of the door panel and then lift up. Let's see how this goes. I went ahead and took all of the electrical connections loose, including the one on the bottom, which is just the door light. And then I took this screw out, that screw out, and that screw out, all Phillips head. Now we'll pry this tab off, and then the tab over there off, and then the door handle will come out with the cables. Alright, this bottom one right here is the door handle that's broke. Here is the broken piece and the spring. That one's easy, just pop it out like that. This next one is the door lock. What you have to do is pull it out like that, and then you see the little slot right there. It pops out like that. Now we're going to install the new door handle, which is from eBay for about 10 bucks. We're going to install the door lock. Just the same way it come off the original, because this was not broken. Make sure it works. Now we're going to install the cable that goes to the door handle, which is why we are doing this in the first place. Slides in a little groove right there, like that, and then down, and that notch goes like that. Now flip it over. Works good. Now we're going to install this back in the door panel and then reassemble everything. Okay, so apparently I didn't charge my batteries on my impact, but right now we are going to tighten up that bolt, and the bolt that goes right there. This repair was pretty easy. It took probably an hour total labor time. Only used a few tools, 10mm socket, a little plastic door trim piece from Harbor Freight, and a small flathead screwdriver. I have a few more Altima repair videos. I'll try to post the links up down below. If you like these repair videos, go ahead and subscribe. The next one I have coming up is replacing the headlight assemblies to address the low beam issues where they're so dim while you're trying to drive at night. Thanks for watching.